In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Google Year in Search Snapchat filter. Okay, so this is a pretty cool filter where Google has partnered with Snapchat to bring a spin on their year in search with a cool augmented reality filter. Okay, so I've left a link in the description of this video, and if you go ahead and tap on that link, you're going to be taken to the following website. So once you tap on that link in the description, you'll be on this website, and then you can see it says year in search, and then you just want to tap on open in Snapchat, and then it's going to say new lens found, and you want to say unlock for 1 hour, and this is the filter in action. As you can see, it's a series of images, and if you look around your room or wherever you are at, you'll see different images, and there will be music playing in the background. I have it on mute to avoid copyright. But if, for example, you go ahead and tap on any one of the images, it's going to zoom in and you can read more about it, and that's pretty cool. And you just tap once again to go out, and you can go to the next image, tap on that one once again, and you can read about it. So that is pretty much the Google Year in Search filter in a nutshell. If you enjoy this filter, drop a comment in the comment section, and if you got some value, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.